Tongan-tongan Baptist body singe church leader tarana ngasi United Naga Council UNC Naga People's Organization NPO amadi tongan-tongan civil society group singa Unnakhre church leader sing asina nakal animakta faduna leiriba mioi sing thadurakna ba appeal torakli Manipur Baptist Convention MBC Council of Baptist Churches in Northeast India Asia Pacific Baptist Federation amadi Baptist World Alliance ke church leader tarana sabati maduna UNC NPO amadi atay civil society organization gi mihud singunaduna Sanapati district laiba UNC gi office ta mifam ama pangthokhi mifam adu damarwaina hojik furup ani gi marakta lairiba unkhatnaba phibam asigi matangda kupna khanaki hairi mifam adu loiraba matung church leader singaduna nakal animakta faduna lairiba sing miyoibagi minung sigi mityeng da condition amata yaudana thadoraknaba appeal tawki Mafam aduga mari lenana CBNEI gi Secretary General Dr. Ramsingh R. Marakna hai tangdu leitaba amadi amana amabu ngakpi bahaiba wakhalon asina mang thaduna kanglo furup khudingmakna pungning phathaduna khangba kanse kanglo furup khudingmakna ichil inaugi wakhalonda thajaba thamduna lamdam asida tangdu leitaba purakna ba hotnaminasi haina mahangna appeal torakli.
We welcome the peace initiative and the gesture they have made to us. We have seriously know that, and of course, decisions that lies with our highest decision-making bodies. We will be considering on that, and in this regards, we have made it very clear that we want peace. So peace can only come when there is admission to the truth.
I think people should verify before believing all those propaganda, and if we can restrain ourselves and forgive each other, the peace will return to Manipur. It is the concern of all of us, and then we as a CBNEI also have been praying for this, that the sense of brotherhood and also the humanity will come back to this beautiful state of Manipur.